Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Meriwether County in west-central Georgia, Coweta County in west-central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Thomas Crossroads, or near Newton, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Fayetteville, City of South Fulton, Peachtree City, Union City, Fairburn, Tyrone, Palmetto, Sonoy, Grantville, Lovettsville, Moreland, Sharpsburg, Turin, East Newton, Stars Mill, Conhongate, Sandy Creek, Thomas Crossroads, and Madras. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.